Hello friends, welcome to Savviji. Today we are going to learn a mouth-watering and a delicious rasmalai recipe. Rasmalai. The name itself indicates the richness and the royal feeling of delicacies of Indian sweets. So this is a wonderful sweet and originated from Bengal and very popular among the Indian sweet lovers. And normally we are not habituated to have this rasmalai regularly compared to other sweets, and it is a royal sweet often served in weddings and eaten on special occasions. So this is a wonderful and a tasty recipe. So how to make perfectly soft rasmalai at home. Now we'll see how to prepare this, and we have to follow some tips so that this will comes very spongy and tasty and mouth watering in the way whatever we wanted. So first we'll see the ingredients required to prepare. We need 1 by 4 liter full fat milk, that is approximately 5 cups for chana, and 3 by 4 liter milk, that is approximately 3 cups for preparation of rabri, and 2 to 3 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. So mix with 5 tablespoon water and keep aside, and 1 cup sugar for syrup, and 2 to 3 generous pinches of cardamom, that is ilachi, and half cup sugar for rabri, and a handful of pista almonds for decoration, and a pinch of saffron or kesar is needed. Now coming to directions to prepare. Boil half cup water, then add almonds and cover and keep aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Use both almonds and pistas. After 30 or 40 minutes, peel the almonds and slice them and keep aside. Add 3 cups milk to a heavy bottom pot and boil. Add saffron, and sugar when the milk comes to boil. Take thick milk and stir every 2 to 3 minutes to prevent boiling, and when a layer of cream forms, just move it aside and boil until the milk thickens and reduces to half the quantity, and set aside. Now coming to the second step, the preparation of chana balls. First for that, boil 5 cups milk in a pot. Add diluted lemon juice to the milk after boiling, and stir until the milk curdles completely. Add more lemon or vinegar if needed, and finally add ice cubes to the pot. So this is very important to add this ice cubes because it keeps the chana soft, so do that. So now it is ready. The important point to remember is to make rasmalai balls, the milk is first boiled and then curdle by adding lemon juice or vinegar. After draining the warm water from the curdled milk, the protein that is left is called the chana or paneer. The chana is then mashed till it becomes smooth. Small balls are then made from the chana and dropped in boiling sugar syrup till cooked. So now drain in a muslin cloth all the chana and clean it once before you squeeze off excess whey, and make a knot. Hang it for 45 minutes or 1 hour to comes out all the excess way to come out, and after that add the chana to plate and knead well for about 3 minutes until smooth. Now make 12 equal balls, just like we prepare preparation of rasgulla, and after that take one by one ball into hand and flatten them like this, and set these flattened discs in a plate and keep aside. Now bring 3 cups of water to boil with a 1 cup sugar. Stir and add cardamom powder. First we are adding sugar, and after that add cardamom powder. Now add the disc to boiling syrup and cook covered for about 7 to 8 minutes on a moderately high flame. The size of discs will be double while you're boiling, so check that. Now take out the disc to a plate and cool them. After that squeeze them gently in between your palms to remove sugar syrup, or you can use a ladle or spoon to do that. And after that add this to the rabri. If you wish, you can also simmer for 1 to 2 minutes in the rabri. Now add little cardamom powder, and after that garnish with the nuts. You can decorate with badam and pista slices. So chill it out and serve it. Tasty and delicious rasmalai is ready now. Taste it and enjoy. So mouth-watering recipe, mouth-watering rasmalai. So once a while you can prepare this on occasions of birthdays or festivals. And remember, use full cream or whole milk to make a rasmalai. Low fat or fat free will not give good result. So the rasmalai balls are nothing but milk fat, so you need to use full fat milk for making this sweet. And don't curdle the milk as soon as it comes to boil, I already told you. So add half cup water and wait for 5 to 10 minutes till the milk temperature comes down a bit. If you curdle the milk when it's not super hard, the resulting chana will be softer. So follow these steps and prepare. You can prepare this rasmalai in other version with rasgulla. If you are having rasgulla at home, you can prepare directly this rasmalai, not preparing chana balls. You can directly use rasgulla to prepare this. Just squeeze the sugar syrup from rasgulla, and you can directly use those balls in preparation of rasmalai. Check the links below for the homemade rasgulla and rabri. So this is for today, very rich and royal delicacy of Indian sweet lovers, rasmalai. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching, and keep watching my videos, and like and subscribe.